Welcome back everyone to another video by me, your host, the Chunky Jeweler. In this video, I'll be making a big gem signet ring with a final weight of almost 50 grams of gold. I've also handcrafted a shark insignia that I'll be attaching to the top part of the signet. We start the video with a picture of the wax ring I carved. The ring that I carved out of wax, which I sent off to the casters. They then use that wax ring as a mold to cast it in gold with a process called lost wax casting. My apologies. The gold ring was then returned to me roughly a week later, so that was good. This video follows the process of me cleaning and taking that cast piece into the awesome ring to be seen at the end of the video. There's a bit in the middle of the video where I actually turned off the lights after soldering the shark onto the top of the ring, where you can actually see the ring glowing a cherry red color from the heat that was applied to it. So in essence, I've worked hard in this video, and I think my video making skills are slowly improving and will improve even more over time as I create more content. So if it's not too much of an effort, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and it would be cool if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I've got a lot of ideas floating around this noggin of mine, and that I would like to share with you guys. So yeah, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and smash that bell so you be the first to be notified if I create more content. Yeah, so that's enough of me babbling on. Enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah, Chunky Jeweler out.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with